Okay, see here. So resources, we have discussed this one. So once again, I think you have understood this one. So no need to repeat once again. So because many times I will be repeating for you. So you might have been understood. Okay, the definition for resource, which have some utility and value, is called as a resource. Patent, which have some exclusive right. So just I'm going to remember you once again. Just reminding you, technology, so application of latest knowledge and the skill. Okay. Next type of resources. So two types of resources are there: natural resource, and next one is human-made resource. So natural resources are once again divided into two types: renewable resource and non-renewable resource. So resources. Next, stock resources. So the amount of resources available for use. So they are not renewable, but we can use them. Okay, but there are some resources are there which we can't use them because they are already completed. Okay, they are called as potential resource. So that is not necessary here. Just stock of resource, remember, which is available for use of man. Next one is so human-made resources. So example for human-made resources is so bridges, buildings, roads, machinery, vehicles are known as human-made resources. So even technology is also known as the human-made resource. And next one, so this is the example. If you are well educated, then you are calling as a good resource. So human beings also considered as one of the resource. If you have good skills and good knowledge, so good skills and good knowledge, then you will be considered as a good resource. So you should be always be good resource. And we have seen the nightmare of this Mona. Okay, that may be happen one day or two, because she got that everything was not there on this set. So he was telling to his mother about this nightmare. Next one is sustainable development. So sustainable development, it is very important. So definition is very important. So we also discussed about this one also. Sustainable development is nothing but, so we have to use the resources which are present today by keeping the view of future generations. Okay, so by thinking about the future generations, we have to use the present day resources carefully. Okay, and next one, see here, resources conservation. So resource conservation. Resource conservation is nothing but, so we have to protect the resource. Okay, conserve means what? Protecting. Okay, just conserving means protecting. Next year, sustainable development. So we must develop the but in a sustainable manner. So maybe asking, sir, if we don't use the resources, so there will be no development. Yes, we have to use the resources, but in a sustainable manner. That means we have to keep in the view about the future generations, and then we have to use the present resources carefully. So that kind of development is called as sustainable development. Okay, and next, so just to move forward. So here, what is the meaning for this conversation or communication? Means, so they are going to make some green tools or environmental green. This is called as just environmental green tools or environmental green requirements, like making of baskets with wood instead of plastic, and making of paper covers or paper bags instead of this plastic covers. Okay, so like that, so it is given the conversation. Okay, we have discussed this one also. So from this, what we can understand means we have to conserve the resource. Next, the last one is, so here some of the principles of sustainable development. So this one is there here. So some principles of sustainable development. So what are the principles of this sustainable development? So we already said that sustainable development is nothing but we have to use the resources for development, but in a careful manner. Careful manner means what? We have to keep in the view about the future generations. They also should have some resources, we should not use completely. Okay, so such kind of development is called as sustainable development. So first one is here, respect and care for all forms of life. So under sustainable development, there are some principles are there. So these principles are universally made. Okay, universally made principles. Okay, so what is the first one mean? Respect and care for all forms of life. That means we must respect all forms of living things, not only human beings. So we are giving respect for human beings, but we are not respecting for other animals. We have to give the respect for even the animals also. Okay, because the human beings are dominating the other animals, but actually the other animals, including like lions, tigers, okay, elephants, okay, giraffe, even the bears, okay, every animal, even the birds, is also have the right on this earth to live along with life, along with the human beings. So just human beings are dominating other animals, but the other animals also have the right. Okay, so other animals also have the live, right to live on this earth. Okay, so here, but what we are doing, just we are we are not giving respect for other animals. So example here, sir, we were telling that we have to give respect for all. Then what about these mosquitoes? So daily your mosquitoes also one of the small birds and insects. We also must give respect. But whenever the mosquito is bitten for you, or it is going to bite for you, then immediately you are going to kill that one, and just you are doing some murder of that mosquito. But mosquitoes also have the life. They also have the right to live on this earth.
And also, sir.
Yes, even the ants also have the right to live on this earth because they cannot ask the rights. Okay, they cannot go for courts for asking their life rights. But of course, if we give the chance for them means, so they will be biting for us. Okay, they will be beating for us. But that is not the correct way. Okay, because in this earth there is one balance is there. It is called as ecological balance. Okay, ecological balance. Ecological balance is nothing but one animal. It is also called as ecological cycle. Ecological cycle and also ecological balance. So one cycle is there. Ecological cycle. What is a cycle means? One animal is depending on another animal. Okay, and this animal is again depending on other animal, and this animal is depending on this animal. Example here, I'm taking one small frog. Okay, so frog is eating small insects inside rivers or some ponds or like that. Then frog is eaten by the snakes. Okay, and the snakes is eaten by the eagles. Okay, and sometimes whenever the eagle dies, that will be eaten by some of the falcons. Okay, and sometimes even this any small other animal, suppose any eagle is died, so some lions, tigers, they are also going to eat. Okay,
Vulture, sir.
vultures, yes, vultures is there, yes, vultures, they are also called as the scavengers on this earth. They are going to
Cleaning.
cleaning the earth. Okay, they will go, they are going to decompose every dead bodies of human beings as well as the other animals also. So day by day the vultures are going to be extinction. So completely vultures are their lifespan is completed. They are at the stage of this they are called as vulnerable. So vulnerable, it is called as vulnerable. Vulnerable nothing but they are already in the stage of extinction. So we must protect them. Okay, but here we may think that sir, vultures are very dangerous. So sometimes what these vultures are doing is, whenever any human being is injured with severe injuries or some suppose example, uh, suppose one person two persons are fighting each other with some knives, what will happen? One person is severely injured and he is escaping, and just he was unable to move forward, but he was severely injured. Then what will happen? If any vultures are there means, they will come and they will attack on this person for eating. Okay, so vultures are not good for us. but they are also have the life. Okay, because they are going to clean the earth. Okay, if they are eating these dead bodies, means what will happen? The earth will be very clean. Okay, and the earth will be saved. So like that here, one animal is depending on another. Even this giraffe or small deer, they are eating the grass and grass. Okay, and these deers are eaten by tigers. So like that, one animal is depending on others. But human beings are depending on all animals. Okay, even the human beings also depending on grass also depend. Okay, we are also eating the grass, of course, like animals, because through the but in the form of these crops, we are eating the grass like deer. So after that, so then we are depending on other animals also. So if we go for animals like elephants like that, we are using for our entertainment purpose. That is also one of the use. Okay, and of course if you take other animals like bulls, oxen, okay, like that. So every animal is depending on one another. So that is called as ecological cycle. So here we must give respect for all living forms of life, including ants and mosquitoes also. Suppose if you kill one mosquito, means you have murdered, you have did a crime. Okay, but they cannot ask for their rights. They cannot go for what is that? Any strikes for asking their rights like human beings. So we must respect them all. Okay, and next one is improve the quality of human life. We must also improve the quality of human life. So what is the meaning for this one means here? So the human beings must be educated so that he will get some awareness. Okay, awareness will be getting. Whenever the human beings are getting some awareness, what will happen? So humans will use the resources in a careful manner. Okay, so that's why humans should be having some improved quality. If they don't have this awareness, means what will happen? So they will be hunting some animals in the forest, and sometimes they don't know about the deforestation. Okay, and they'll be hunting some small birds. Okay, like that. So if they have some awareness, means then what will happen? They are going to protect the earth. That is the other lives. Next one is conserve the earth's vitality and diversity. Yes, conserve means what? Protecting. We have to protect the diversity. So diversity means what? Diversity means different lives. So diversity means nothing but different forms of life. So the different plants and animals. So we can call this as the plants, animals, birds, like that. Okay, and also here we can call this as flora and fauna. Okay, flora and we can call this as fauna or fauna. Flora and fauna or just flora and fauna. So plant. What is the meaning for this one? So flora nothing but just the animals. Next, fauna means the plants. So plants and animals both should be protected or conserved. Okay. And next one here, conserve the minimize the depletion of natural resource. So here, what is the meaning for depletion? So depletion is nothing but here day by day what is happening means here. If you see these resources, sorry, if you take this is the earth, so the earth is covered with some sort of this atmosphere, and this atmosphere is having some uh, what is that means that is ozone layer is there. Okay, ozone layer is present on this top side. So this ozone layer is going to be depletion. That means so it is going to be affected because of excess of CFCs. Okay, CFCs on the earth surface, mainly from industries, factories, like that. So CFCs means what? Chlorofluorocarbons. Okay, chlorofluorocarbons. So due to this one, what will happen? So the oxygen layer which is there, so it is called as the ozone layer. Okay, ozone layer will be completely depletion. So that's why we must protect the, we must reduce the depletion of natural resource. Of course, here natural resource nothing but, so day by day, even the natural resources are going to be depletion. That means they are going to be completed. Okay, so we must protect them. So all things, what is the main things of this? All the principles means to conserve the environment and also the earth. Okay, and next one is, so change personal attitude and practice towards the environment. So we must know about about the environment, how to conserve the environment. So what are the problems faced by the environment? So everything should be kept in the practice, not in the books. Okay, so day by day, what the things are going on means here. So if one MLA or any minister will come and plant one tree, means what will happen? So for the sake of photograph and for the sake of media purpose, so they are going to arrange this plant in a good manner. But after going this MLA, so after 1 or 2 days, so we can't see that plant there. Okay, so just for the sake of photo purpose, so they are doing this kind of activities. So this is not a good. So we must go into the practice. So we have to put in the practice. We are saying that save water, save tree, save environment, save climate, like that. But just we are not implementing that one. So we have to implement all these things in a practical manner. So then only we can come to we can protect the environment. Okay, this is also one of the principle. Next one is enable communities to care for their own environment. So we have to encourage some of the communities. Okay, what are the communities are there? Example here, mainly the tribal peoples. So tribal peoples are damaging this environment mainly. But here we cannot point out these tribal peoples. Why means because here tribal peoples are completely depending on this forest. So, but if they clear one side forest means, so other side, they will be green. Again, if they just they will be clearing this forest and then they are moving to other place. Once again, they are going to clear that forest there. But here this forest, this area will be filled with once again forest. So here this recycle is there. Okay, so we should not disturb the tribal people, but we must encourage them to protect the environment. Okay, and reduce the damage for environment. So these are all the principles present in the sustainable development. Some of the principles are given here. Okay, these are the main principles of sustainable. Okay, and next one. So here, some of the conversation is given. So okay, the future of our planet and its people is linked with our ability to maintain and preserve the life support system that nature provides. Therefore, it is our duty to ensure that. So, what is the main meaning for this means here? So, Earth is there. So, this Earth is completely bound to human beings. Okay, bound to human beings means what? So, human beings, he can do anything on this earth. He can dig the earth. He can clear the forest. He can replant the forest. He can do deforestation. Also, he can do afforestation. So both can be done by human beings. So anything he can do. So that's why what we have to do means, so we must maintain and preserve life support system for the nature. So whatever the nature is providing for us, so we must provide the good environment. That means we have to protect everything. Okay, to go for conserving of all other resources which are present here. So what is the meaning of this total meaning means? So finally, how to protect the all the resources which are present on the earth surface. Okay. The next one is if you see here. So all uses of renewable resources are sustainable. So here one thing is there. We are telling that sustainable. Whatever the resources we can renew them, they will be considered as sustainable because we are telling that renewable. Once if you use that resource means once again we can recycle that resource. So they are called as sustainable. So use them to some extent. Okay, we can use them more when compared to non-renewable resources, or they are called as unsustainable resources. Next one is the diversity of life on the earth is conserved. So we have to protect the total life on this earth. Okay. And next, so okay. So next one is the damage to the natural environment system is minimized. So these are all the principles we have to follow for the protection of environment. Okay. So we must go for green things. So whatever the green things are there, so we must use them. Okay. So this is about this first chapter. And now, so suppose if you have any doubt means, so now you can ask. Okay. So just
No doubt, sir.
yes. So see here 2000 tortoise. So these tortoise
Sir, per day 2000,
are
sir.
died. And this tortoise size is very big one. Okay. So how much big means they are very big size. Okay. So like
Sir, in one day, sir.
yes,
Sir,
nearly
in one day 2000, sir.
nearly around 1 week. So since from 1 week on, the dead tortoise are coming and they are storing at the seashore, but most of them are died. Okay, some group of tortoise are died, nearly some 2000. So daily so till for 1 week, so daily some of the tortoise dead tortoise are coming to the shores and they are depositing on these shores. So the scientists why these are coming means, so finally they
Daddy, into it
found
2000,
to when the tortoise are decomposed by the scientists, they found that inside so many number of plastic. Okay, plastic covers, plastic bottles, okay, plastic bags. So everything seen inside the stomach of this tortoise. Most of the tortoise, nearly so 99% of tortoise are died due to this plastic. Okay, plastic waste. So like covers, okay, like bottles and some small other things which are made from plastics. So how they have reached to the ocean? That is very easy. So just we are throwing this plastic in the drainages. Then from the drainages they are going to join with the small rivers. Finally, from the small rivers they are going to join to the seas and oceans. And in the seas and oceans, all these tortoise they have eaten all these plastic covers, plastic and everything. Okay, and finally they have died. Okay, because the plastic will not digest in their stomachs. So even this plastic will not be decomposed inside the earth, then how can they digest in the living forms? So it is uh, very unimaginable. Okay, even the earth is also the powerful, the greatest digester in this world, or the greatest filter in this world is the earth. Even the earth is unable to decompose this plastic. It is taking some lot of time, some millions of years to decompose this one. Then how can this just a small living things? So they cannot digest this plastic because plastic is prepared with some high degrees of temperature. So we cannot digest easily. Okay, so that's why we must go for either cloth, okay, which is very easy to decompose by the earth, and of course sometimes the living things also, or sometimes some other forms. We must go for some alternatives. Okay, so these are the things that happened, and not only this one. So day by day, what happened means, so oil spills are going to be happen in the oceans. What the new problem is obtained means, so day by day, petroleum usage is there, petroleum, diesel. So a lot of use is there by around the world. So due to this one, what will happen means, suppose India is there. India is importing the oil, petrol, diesel from mainly this Arabia countries. Okay, Arabia means Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, like that. So from there, while coming here, due to mission failure, due to some accidents, so what the things are happening is, so the oil spills are going on. Oil spills nothing but, so while carrying this oil towards India, so number of accidents are happening. So not only in India, so around the world from different countries to different countries. So this oil spill is going to be happen, and this oil is going to be merged with this ocean water, sea water or ocean water, and then all the seas, all the seafoods or fishes or tortoise or whatever it may be inside the ocean, so they are going to be died. Okay, and this oil spills means what happened means the oil is not going to be dilute in this water, just the oil is floating on the water. When the oil is floating on the water and it may be having some thickness, okay, then what will happen downside this one, they cannot get some oxygen because the air will not go inside the water. So what will happen whenever the fishes are coming outside, there will be the layer of this oil, then they cannot get the air, so they are going to die inside the water. So these kind of accidents also are happening day by day. So we must stop the usage of this petrol diesel, so that whenever the prices are down, so we are unable to import this one. And when imports are less, then exports will be automatically decreased. So this way, so if you stop here means, so that will impact there in the mining. Okay. So that's why you must go always green. We must protect the earth and conserve the earth. Okay. And okay. Still